Imagine a place where time doesn't destroy, but rebuilds. Deep in the heart of industrial perfection, the icons of the 80s and 90s are coming home. Here, heavy steel meets surgical precision. Our philosophy is simple: 80% robotics for unmatched accuracy, 20% human craftsmanship for the spirit that no machine can replicate. Built by machines, perfected by humans, 100% soul. This is the rebirth of the analog era. This is Gigafactory time.